Welcome back on Sunday Night Show. In case you just join us, we discuss matter we concern two sisters of Oga Inyoma Odinta, the man when he be say they live for Festac Town, and they live for flat 18, block 3, E-Close, 401 Road for Festac Town. The two sisters, two daughters of the man, Flora Ogidinta will be 36 years old, and Chido Ziem Ogidinta will be 29 years old. Then tie their father. Okay, they really tie it. They flog this man, pia pieces.
I wonder how many Koboko they used to
flog this man. The man not face down again.
It can't be like the flogging now with anger also.
They flog the man because of they say the man they cheat on their mama we don't die.
They say it be like say in be one corner their late mama friend. And that's why they confess.
Person way they around there. Okay, Agbef from Makodi, good evening.
Say
Agbef.
Agbef, you dey kitchen?
Okay. Anyway, they flog the man because of say the man they cheat on their mama we don't die. As the matter go be, so they even threaten the man say if they show and bring another woman for the house, so they go do worse things. Give the man. If they go do worse things, if they tie you, what you call they worse now? Let me say they go kill you, join on top of the matter.
No, my brother, you know this kind of women we don't vex. Now vex, they've come fuel them.
Anyway,
so I don't know.
Princess from Lagos, good evening. Hello. Hello. Pepe. I am going to go to tweet. On top of Twitter.
Sweet message, eh? The man has already gotten the beating, which he deserves, but those girls need 5 times the beating they gave to their dad.
Then I waiting sweet message. Then the Mike Nwabasi talk say, please Chinedu, were you raised in Aba? No, I am not. I was raised in Kaduna. Kaduna crocodile.
Maybe see your twins.
Is it my twins, Baba?
No,
From Lagos, good evening. Mary,
hello.
Mary, how is you?
Isn't that Mary?
Mary?
Hello?
Oh, yeah, red the phone. I make network. Mona see the colors, if cause go connect. Colors will speak to that count now. Receive it.
Yes. Need to read this one.
And then Adenka talk say if my papa they cheat, I go tell my mama because make them not kill my mama for me. If them too battle my papa wipe. Okay, when you say if them battle if the woman battle the papa wipe me, and I be say they'll kill the mama. Confidence in the Lord. Good evening.
Bad.
Confidence.
Hello.
How is you?
Confidential.
I'm so fine. Good evening.
Good evening. We have confidence in you.
Oh, confidence, yeah. We have confidence in you. Oh, confidence. Chook mouth for this matter. Chook mouth for the matter, confidence.
You see, that matter gets as you. You see this thing where you say it happened for my street.
Yeah?
Even the man they carry the so-called wife, though I become Kuban.
Okay.
They pass road.
Which street?
They pass the road.
Street, everybody they share.
Which street?
He even said in daughter, he said, if he pursue, if he stop those women from coming.
Wait. Confidence. Which street did they talk of so?
For my place, Rekosu.
For Ikotu, okay. Man, they there where they do the same thing there.
Where they do the same white thing.
Wow.
So not the news. Those girls no try at all. Okay, for the first place.
Yes.
What you keep them for their house to that age they day?
Thank you. Thank you.
Our question we suppose ask ourselves. 20-something.
Don't worry, we'll come to that matter. We go come to that matter before we close.
Okay. I like your dress, you know.
Oh, thank you, confidence. It's Uzamaka, aka Uzitimbugi.
I like after go buy that shoe for my son. Like him.
Your son like him.
He like him.
All right, no, Allah. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Lucky, good evening from Port Harcourt. Thank you for my confidence.
Lucky.
Yeah, good evening.
Long. Anna.
Why no? So, this my sister. You are looking so good though.
Oh, thank you. You are so safe with somebody.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And they do.
Good evening.
That your advert where you they do. My wife like her so much. Oh.
Hey, yeah, thank you very much.
And easy boy.
Hey,
Easy boy.
I they hail you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You see that woman. You too much, guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll continue.
That woman where track go Abuja.
Yes.
I don't know what Abuja declare for free trekking, you know. Abuja.
Lucky, your TV they loud.
Okay, sorry.
I bet off the volume.
I don't offer.
We'll
I
continue.
don't know what Buhari declare for free trekking to Abuja.
Hello?
No, you don't
Hey,
go.
Lucky.
I don't know what Buhari declare for free trekking to Abuja.
Okay.
Abio.
And those children will flock that man made them find out the reason why the wife died. Whether than this torchlighting I make the wife die, made them find out whether than the sickness where the man don't carry and I make that woman die in wife, we don't define another one so. Made them torchlight her well.
All
Those
right.
children are not supposed to flog their mother.
Their father.
Their father, sorry.
Yeah.
They're not supposed to beat their father and tie and rope.
All right, Lucky,
It's
thank
no
you.
good for that one.
Thank
But
you very
the
much,
man,
Lucky. Yeah.
Men, they careful of that thing when they do so. It's not good.
All
Me,
right.
I'm married. I'm 29 years.
You're getting. Yeah.
This is 3 years now. I never meet any other woman. I'm
Thank you.
proud to say that.
You are a correct man. You are a
Thank
correct
you.
man. You are representing us well. Thank you very much. Lucky,
you.
good night.
Stay like that.
Agbef,
God
good
bless you.
evening.
Hello, lady. Good evening.
Agbef!
How's that day?
Agbef!
Yeah, see a best man.
How far where your wife dey?
How do
She dey cook and she dey bed.
He's asleep now. He's asleep.
Oh, mona, wow, that thing where you put there. Oh. Let me say, the thing not make her cook again.
Nah, God do it.
So now you gonna cook?
Let me cook now.
Oh, yeah, Agbef, chook mouth for this matter.
Hello?
We dey hear you, Agbef.
Agbef.
Hello?
Agbef, you know be stranger now. You know as we dey do this thing.
Hello?
Hey.
Na network. Agbef, you dey hear us? Hey.
No.
Call us back, Agbef. Back to Twitter. On top Twitter, we'll
You know,
get...
so we never ask easy.
We'll go see it now for you. Go come to Easy Beats now before Karawaka come on. What those children did Victor Okoro Dudu, aka Ojotule Victor,
Which how you put this sentence? What those children do, Victor? Oh, I don't know.
what those children did is an abomination unto God. Men do not cheat based on African Men do not cheat based on African tradition. Men can carry as many wives. Whoa.
Yeah. Victor, this tweet now from Victor.
Now Victor Okoro Dudu, now you talk am.
So Victor,
From Abia, good evening.
Victor, this tweet now from Victor.
My sister, your TV dey too loud now. Mona, they help us. Hello? Esther? Hello, Esther? Hey. I beg you, if not they call us, Mona, help us. Reduce the volume of your TV. You don't need to hear yourself. If you dey hear yourself, we're not going to hear you. You go be like say you dey America or you dey Mars.
you dey Venezuela or Colombia.
Venezuela or Colombia. Anyway, now the matter we dey discuss be that on top 2 girls wey tie their papa flog am because of say the papa cheat
You know, see, when
on
you
their
put
mama
that
wey
thing,
don die.
he tied them, papa. It can't be like something where they want to take and do jazz.
I don't know. They say they tie the man. They even tie him for neck too.
No, be that. Maybe they vex about something when the papa do when their mama
before children
Sorry,
go vex.
sorry. Good evening, Stephen. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good
Off
evening.
your radio.
Off your TV. Cindy.
Yes, good evening, Lady Amkati, Manizidi.
Hey,
Yeah,
Cindy,
good
how's
evening.
Germany?
I'm fine. This is my first time of calling you guys.
Hey,
I like your program
Cindy,
so much.
take out. Hey, blah.
You guys are so funny. What's the
Hey.
topic of today? Because I'm not in the house now.
Oh, you're not in the house. Oh,
No.
Where you go?
where you go?
Okay, I want to see a friend. Sorry.
Who sent you a
what's
message?
your own now?
Wait, Cindy, you don't marry?
No, I'm single but taking, sir.
Wait,
I'm
now
not
man,
practicing.
wait, now man, you go say I be woman.
I'm taking. I'm taking.
You are taking. Cindy, now man, you go see a big woman. Now man, you go see a woman.
Hello.
Hello, Cindy. Now man, you go see a big woman.
Okay, now my girlfriend.
Cindy, talk through.
Because why? Because
now girl, you go see a big.
My girlfriend, yes.
Make we believe you.
Okay, yes, believe me.
Anyway, when they talk about when they talk about two girls where tie their papa flog them because of say the papa cheat on their mother, we don't die. If now you catch your mother or papa they cheat, what do you go do?
Repeat again. Sorry, I didn't get it clearly. Sorry.
Which
No verse.
we know the first.
No, we're not vex. Alona
Cinderella,
we can't vex.
We know the first for you.
We're not the Chris now. We're not gonna feel vex. What will they talk? Be say
stop now.
If you catch your mama or your papa they cheat, what do you go do? What do you go do?
If
hello,
I catch my mother or my father they cheat.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Maybe I can hear you.
What talk? If not you, what do you go do?
If I catch my dad cheating on my mom, right?
Yes. What do you go do?
Nothing much, but just to like tell him like, Dad, this thing you're doing is not right. That's all. Because if I go talk like this, they keep beat me or they keep me wahala. You understand?
Cindy, Nadi, Oyibo, where you do Dad, what you're doing is so wrong. Don't do it again.
Okay.
Hello.
That's it.
Hello, Cindy. All right, bye-bye, Cindy. Thank you very much.
Dad, don't do it again. Okay?
Dad,
what you're doing is wrong.
It's so wrong. Don't do it again.
Okay?
Benita, good evening.
Say yes.
Benita Zeribe. Benita Zeruwa. Hello, Benny.
Benita.
Bad network. Call us back. Anyway, what will they discuss now? This matter of these two. Easy.
We want to talk something.
Yeah. So for those girls will be their papa, and I know so they really vex. But waiting most people never picture for the whole thing we say before children go vex, reach that level, can go tidy pop, see they beat them. If people say Madama don't really wrong them, God, don't say it's not right for them to do that kind of thing. No. Imagine maybe before, imagine their mom see the hospital, they go through difficult times. Popsi not even come check on mom see. If they want place, they lounge with babe. You understand? At the end of the day, Popsi come they spread up and down, and you can't hear say mom still don't die, and he can't still lock up. Those guys go be trigger children beginning. So I don't really know what they do. You understand?
Maybe when they small self,
they don't hear the G's. They call it Popsi not done.
They bully the mama. They don't they beat their mama. They don't they beat them. So that thing they inside.
You understand? So now you go make all those guys feel vexed.
Well, most of us will not too know the cocoa of the story. But the thing where they did matter be say these girls, they don't carry them go police station. From police station, they don't even lock them, but they don't bail two of them. 50,000, nine them bail them.
Who can pay?
I don't know who pay, but anyway, they don't carry them.
Now who can pay? You see, you are something. You mean
May 21, nine they go took out again for the matter for inside court, and this thing now for April 1. Now 1st of April, blessed they use April Fool. They do the father the thing.
Maybe the father said no believe. Content say perhaps now April Fool.
When they flog and when the pain begin enter body, April 1 now it take happen for the girls. 36 years old, 29 years old. What are you still doing in your father's house?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Is it pretty single? Keso need another wife. Kemos need another wife. What are you doing?
What do you need? What do you need, Nedu? What do you need?
I'm beautifully and wonderfully. Oh God, you don't know who I am. Beautifully and wonderfully made somebody.
Completed somebody.
Uzamaka aka Uzintim Boogie. Anyway, till tomorrow, una good night. I'm going to all of our call and then the tweet messages. Thank you, una good night.